This tiny SSD just solved my biggest storage problems, and I loved it so much. I got a second one. So here's the thing, I was literally shopping for a portable SSD when ORICO reached out asking if I wanted to review their CZ20 Plus magnetic mobile SSD. Talk about perfect timing, right? They sent me one, and guys, I was so impressed. I went ahead and got another one. And today, I'm going to show you exactly why this thing is a must-have. First off, let's talk about size. This thing is tiny. We're talking credit card size. Seriously, look at this compared to my phone. It weighs just about 44 grams, which is lighter than most of your phone cases. You can literally slip this in your pocket and forget it's even there. And see this? It comes with a magnetic bracket that attaches to your phone or laptop. No more fumbling with cables or worrying about it falling off mid-transfer. It just clicks on magnetically and stays put. I've been using this for weeks now, and not once has it accidentally disconnected. Super convenient and honestly, kind of genius. And speaking of convenience, it has this innovative 360 stand design. Let me show you how this magnetic attachment works in real life. When I'm out shooting content, I can literally attach this to the back of my phone, transfer my files, and keep working. All without having to find a flat surface or worry about cables dangling everywhere. For laptop use, same thing. It magnetically clips on, stays secure, and I can move around without worrying. This might seem like a small thing, but when you're constantly transferring files like I am, these little conveniences add up big time. So who's this for? Now, let me break down some real-world scenarios where this has been a lifesaver for me. Content creators, if you shoot a lot of video or take a ton of photos, your phone storage fills up fast. Instead of deleting files or paying for cloud storage every month, just plug this in and offload everything. I use mine to back up my footage right after shoots, which means I never have to worry about running out of space mid-recording. Also, mobile gamers, if you've got a ton of games eating up your phone storage, transfer them here and free up space without losing your progress. Now, for business professionals, if you need to move presentations, documents, or large files between devices, this is way more convenient than emailing yourself or dealing with cloud uploads, especially when you're traveling or don't have reliable Wi-Fi. In the case of travelers, this is perfect for vacation. Your photos and videos, they add up quick. And this lets you back them up on the go without needing Wi-Fi or worrying about cloud storage limits, Plus, it's so small, you won't even notice it in your bag. So basically, if you use your phone or laptop heavily and you're always running out of storage, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Alright, let's keep it real. Here are the pros. Super compact and lightweight, literally fits anywhere. Magnetic attachment is genius and actually stays secure. Works with iPhone, Androids, and laptops seamlessly. True plug and play. Great build quality. Feels premium, not cheap. Solves the storage problem without monthly subscriptions. And now the cons. The cable is a bit short. Would have loved a longer one for more flexibility. Also, it can get slightly warm during heavy use, but nothing alarming. Price might be a little steep for casual users, but for what you're getting, totally worth it. For me, the pros far outweigh the cons. So why did I buy a second one? One stays with my phone for on-the-go backups and quick transfers. The other lives with my laptop for editing and project storage. Having two means I never have to swap it between devices, and I always have a backup solution ready. Plus, when something works this well and makes your life easier, you just want more of it. That's how you know a product is legit. When the company sends you one for free, and you're willing to spend your own money for another. If you're tired of running out of storage or constantly juggling files between devices, I'll drop the link to this SSD in the description below. Now, ORICO is hooking you guys up with a special Black Friday discount code, so make sure you grab it while it's available. Let me know in the comments, are you team portable SSD or still relying on cloud storage? I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for your time. Till we see you again. Bye-bye.